Alright, you can see that my drive is not showing here. How you have to find the drivers, you just go to your tab. This is F6FPY, and after that you will type your model number or whatever laptop you are facing the issue. It could be HP or it could be any other brand. So I'm gonna type it, and from the site you can find the drivers. There you go, F6 drivers for this model. These are also known as SATA drivers, so you have to download these. This FP64 is for your 64-bit operating system, and if you have 86 or 32, find those. After that, download them and extract them to your USB, then go back to the main video. What you're gonna do is you have to place the drivers in the USB and extract it, and after that click browse button. And now when it's open, just locate the file where you have the drivers. I'm gonna select this one and this one, and there you go, my list is here. I'm gonna install the drivers. I'm gonna choose first one and click next, and now I have to wait till it's installed. So I'll be back once it's installed. And here we go, we have the list of drives. Now we can install it on any drive that we want. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comments. See you in the next video very soon.